After her last family get-together seemed crowded and uncomfortable, Mary decided it was time to transform her backyard into a more welcoming entertainment area. She scrolled through gorgeous photos of amazing outdoor kitchens, but thought her space was too small. Then one Saturday afternoon, the delicious smells of barbecue and the sounds of laughter made Mary wonder what her neighbors were up to. Their incredible kitchen and fire pit was right off the pages of an outdoor living magazine. The next day, Mary knocked on Jennifer's door. As Jennifer welcomed her inside, she nearly forgot about her outdoor kitchen when she saw the sleek new fireplace and mantel in Jennifer's living room. As Jennifer guided Mary to the outdoor kitchen and offered her a glass of tea, she asked, "How did you do this?" Jennifer shared her secret: Doodlebuggers Fireplace Grill and Outdoor Store. Like Mary, Jennifer didn't know where to go or how to make it happen. But when Doodlebuggers hearth design specialist took the time to understand her vision and walked her through their beautiful showroom where Jennifer could finally see it for real, feel the warmth of the fire, and touch the grill and cabinetry made to endure the elements, she knew she was at the right place. Doodlebuggers takes a holistic approach by not just designing, but also ensuring your fireplace or outdoor kitchen are professionally installed by their certified technicians, and by offering the manufacturer's recommended annual maintenance to ensure the grill and fireplace operate perfectly and safely year-round. Doodlebuggers is the leader in residential and commercial sales, service, and installation of fireplace, grill, and outdoor kitchens in the Northwest Florida and South Alabama region. With all the conveniences of her indoor kitchen, including low-maintenance cabinetry, counters, and appliances, Jennifer told Mary she may never cook in her indoor kitchen again. That's when Mary began to imagine that in just a few short weeks, she could have that welcoming entertainment center to celebrate the holidays with her family around a cozy fireplace, laugh with friends as they barbecue, and create lasting memories on lazy Sunday afternoons with the ones she loves. Do what Mary did next. Schedule a showroom appointment and let Doodlebuggers help you create a lifestyle you'll love. It's easy. Click the link, send a text, or give us a call today. Doodlebuggers. We create a lifestyle you'll love.